Paris. The City of Light is renowned for its iconic landmarks, world-class museums, charming neighborhoods, and exquisite cuisine. With a rich history and vibrant culture, it's a city that offers countless experiences to its visitors. This guide explores 10 must-see attractions in Paris, each offering a unique glimpse into the city's heritage and charm. The Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower, an emblem of Paris, is one of the most recognizable structures in the world. Designed by Gustave Eiffel and completed in 1889 for the World's Fair, it stands 324 meters tall and attracts millions of visitors annually. Visitors can take the elevator or climb the stairs to the viewing platforms on the second and third levels. The panoramic views from the top are breathtaking, offering a 360-degree vista of Paris. At night, the tower sparkles with 20,000 lights, a sight not to be missed. The Louvre Museum. The Louvre Museum is the world's largest and one of the most visited art museums. Housed in a former royal palace, its collection spans thousands of years and includes over 38,000 objects. The Louvre is home to the Mona Lisa, the Venus de Milo, and the Winged Victory of Samothrace, among other masterpieces. Its extensive collection includes works from ancient civilizations to the 19th century. Notre-Dame Cathedral. Notre-Dame Cathedral, a masterpiece of French Gothic architecture, is situated on the Ile de la Cité. Construction began in 1163 and took over a century to complete. The cathedral's twin towers, flying buttresses, and intricate facade are architectural marvels. Inside, the stained glass windows, particularly the rose window, are breathtaking. After the devastating fire in April 2019, restoration efforts are underway to restore Notre Dame to its former glory. While the interior may be closed to visitors, the exterior remains an iconic sight. The Champs-Élysées and Arc de Triomphe. The Champs-Élysées is one of the world's most famous avenues, stretching from the Place de la Concorde to the Arc de Triomphe. It's lined with theaters, cafes, and luxury shops. Commissioned by Napoleon in 1806, the Arc de Triomphe honors those who fought and died for France in the French Revolutionary and Napoleonic Wars. Climb to the top for a spectacular view of Paris and the Champs-Élysées. Montmartre, a historic district known for its artistic heritage, was home to artists like Picasso, Van Gogh, and Toulouse-Lautrec. Its cobblestone streets, cafes, and vibrant nightlife retain a bohemian charm. Perched atop the highest point in Paris, the Sacré-Cœur Basilica offers stunning views of the city. Its white domes and interior mosaics are striking, and the surrounding gardens provide a peaceful retreat. Visit the Place de Terre, where local artists display their work, and the Espace Dali, a museum dedicated to Salvador Dali. The Seine River. The Seine River flows through the heart of Paris, offering picturesque views and numerous activities. Its banks are perfect for walking, cycling, or simply relaxing. A Seine River cruise is a quintessential Parisian experience. Whether you choose a daytime sightseeing tour or an evening dinner cruise, you'll enjoy unique views of landmarks like the Eiffel Tower, Notre Dame, and the Louvre. The Palace of Versailles. Located just outside Paris, the Palace of Versailles is a symbol of absolute monarchy and French grandeur. Originally a hunting lodge, it was transformed by Louis XIII into a lavish palace. The Hall of Mirrors, with its stunning chandeliers and mirrors, the royal apartments, and the extensive gardens designed by André Lenotre are must-see attractions. The gardens feature fountains, sculptures, and the Grand and Petit Trianon. Musée D'orsay. Housed in a former Beaux-Arts railway station, the Musée D'orsay is renowned for its collection of Impressionist and Post-Impressionist masterpieces. The museum features works by Monet, Degas, Van Gogh, and Renoir, among others. The large clock on the museum's facade offers a unique view of Paris. The Latin Quarter and the Panthéon. The Latin Quarter, on the left bank of the Seine, is known for its lively atmosphere, historic landmarks, and prestigious universities. It's a great area for strolling, dining, and soaking up the intellectual ambiance. Originally built as a church, the Panthéon now serves as a mausoleum for France's most distinguished citizens, including Voltaire, Rousseau, and Marie Curie. Its neoclassical architecture and impressive dome are notable. The Latin Quarter is home to famous literary cafes like Café de Flore and Les Deux Magots, where writers like Hemingway and Sartre once gathered. The Marais and the Picasso Museum. The Marais, a historic district that spans the 3rd and 4th arrondissements, is known for its narrow streets, elegant mansions, and vibrant atmosphere. It's a hub for art galleries, boutiques, and cafes. Housed in the Hotel Salé, a beautiful 17th century mansion, the Picasso Museum features an extensive collection of works by Pablo Picasso. The museum provides insight into the artist's prolific career and creative process. The Marais is also home to the Jewish Quarter, with its historic synagogues, delis, and the Museum of Jewish Art and History. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for more travel guides and insider tips.